Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will simply be showing you guys how you can log in to CreditWise app. To do that, make sure you have the app installed on your device, your app is updated to the latest version, and you have a stable internet connection. Then open the application. Once you land on the home page, type in your username in the username section and then type in your password that you use to create your account. Once you enter both username and your password, simply tap on the sign in option and you will be logged into CreditWise app. You can also enable the remember me option for easier logins in the future. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for other updates. Thank you for watching.